This pursuit of happiness, yeah, nah. In this pursuit of happiness, just trying to find our worth. Pour the liquor to find ourselves. In this pursuit of happiness, just hoping for the best, baby. Got a Henny in your hand, chug a dog down. Cause your mind is only thinking when you're sauced up. And I know you gotta fix your fucking problems. And if you lazy, know the blessings ain't gonna blossom. You gotta get it right. You never ever get it right. I hope you fucking find your light. Shingles on your roof, put the fire out. Better figure shit out for it all got. Cause I'm here to hit you with disaster. You ain't a coward, you ain't running from disaster. Gotta get it right. You never ever get it right. I hope you fucking find your life. We're just trying to find ourselves. Just trying to find our worth. Just trying to figure it out. Just trying to figure life out. But let me just say, we're all trying to pray that it'll be okay. In this pursuit of happiness, just trying to find our worth.
Hey guys, so I am here at the Grand Canyon, but you cannot see anything. There was a huge snowstorm last night, and now it is, well, it's still snowing, and like the fog and everything is settled in the canyon, so it's just a white background.
In this pursuit of happiness, just hoping for the best, baby. Clearly it's a way to make you like this. Or it's your fucking family like a guidance. But you know you get the power to get up off your ass and get your shit together. You gotta get it right. You never ever get it right. I hope you fucking find your light. Mama never really gave you loving. In past relationships, it's taking loving. But you're stronger, you're my sister, we are one kid. So I'm hoping that you find yourself a fighting. You gotta get it right. You never ever get it right. I hope you fucking find your life. We just try to find ourselves, try to find a world.
Hey guys, so it is snowing. It's 35 degrees Fahrenheit here. I'm at the Grand Canyon. But unfortunately, because it's the fog and the snow and stuff, you can't really see anything in the canyon. So, it wasn't really a wasted trip because it was just a little out of the way. So, I mean, it was still cool to come up here and see it during the winter and the difference from like Phoenix and stuff. So, but now I'm waiting because somebody is deciding, they were stuck and now they're unstuck and now they're deciding to put snow chains on my tires right behind me, and there's a truck and a car in front of me, so I'm just stuck here. But yeah, so luckily I just took the dogs out and I went to the bathroom, and so now we're just chilling. So alright,
Just trying to figure it out, just trying to figure life out.